Don't even start laughing. Hey you guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Well, I know you read the title. And this is all I have to say. On this channel, I get called self-hating by the black people, and the white people, every time I do a face mask, is telling me I'm doing white face. So with that being said, I might as well be the fair and lovely goddess you have always wanted me to be. I'm just joking. So today is the first day of Fair and Lovely. This is what it looks like. It's really thick and creamy. Oh my God, you guys, you know what this smells like? It smells like Downy. I swear to God. Oh my God, this really smells like fabric softener. I cannot believe this. Oh my God, I am shocked. Do I look like light skin? Like, do I have an instant glow? Am I glowing? Do I look fair? Do I look lovely? I do have the BB cream coming next. When I ordered it and I seen this, I was like, you can't do this in the US. Y'all, we will be burning tubes of Fair and Lovely down to the ground. Could you imagine? I swear this stuff smells like fabric softener. Like, it's a really fragrant scent. Oh no, what's going on? Wait, it's supposed to rub in, right? Am I becoming white? Wait, hold on, let me look in the mirror. This may just needs to be rubbed in really well. Okay, so it took a while to rub the cream in. Y'all know that CeraVe sunscreen? That's how it rubs in, real cheap, El Cheapo like. Yo, this Fair and Lovely love shit. Oh my God, I look real fair and lovely. So this is day 3. I really do look casket ready. Stuff is like literally irritating my skin. Can y'all see? It's like flaking and peeling. And I was expecting to be fair, but not have bad skin while trying to look fair. So you guys, today we're doing a comparison video because I am just curious. Does the Botch CeraVe sunscreen have the same tint as the Fair and Lovely moisturizer? It even got the sunscreen too. And here's CeraVe. I'm not gonna be biased there. I'm not biased. So I'm using the same amount of CeraVe as I'm using a Fair and Lovely. This is Fair and Lovely and this is CeraVe. Fair and Lovely is a little more watered down, so you're getting way more moisturizer from the CeraVe sunscreen. What do you guys think? Oh my God, this is a mess. Let me turn the light down because see, look at, okay, so Fair and Lovely did win. Fair and Lovely is actually blending into my skin tone, but the CeraVe, Lord, CeraVe, you still messy. You know, it's been a while since we came to test you and you still leaving off white cast teas. So I'm about to go to bed and I just got out the shower, so I'm applying my little Fair and Lovely. So what I've been doing to like calm down the burning and irritation I've been having is adding petroleum jelly, Vaseline. I tried Aquaphor, but it wasn't hitting right. I feel like the irritation calms down a little bit. I don't know what it is about the Fair and Lovely, but as soon as I put it on my skin, it hurts. I don't think the Fair and Lovely is working. So today I found the video that says it's gonna give me the extra whitening effect to my face. And the video is called Add Just One Thing to Your Fair and Lovely Cream. Literally has 12 million views, 44,000 likes, and only 11K dislikes. So it must work. For a tablespoon of Fair and Lovely, just to be on the safe side, I got my line. Because if I do it wrong, then y'all gonna be trying to say, oh, well, you didn't do the whole recipe correctly. It looks like the mixture cottage cheese. And I think he literally mixed it until it was like creamy. This works. I am literally ready for my new career on YouTube as a beauty guru. Oh my God. I am going to sell this cream, honey. So we're 6 minutes in and it's drying. I don't know how I feel. So it's been 10 minutes and it's drying down. I don't know if it was supposed to dry, but it's just really like, oh my God, I think it worked. Like I'm looking real Casper. Like I'm looking Casper. Did it work? But see, now when you go down here and I start scratching my neck, It's slowly subsiding. It's been about a few hours after my Fair and Lovely face pack, and I am drying out, and the Fair and Lovely glow has left. As you can see, my neck is matching my skin tone. However, when the light hits just right, I do look just a little bit Fair and Lovely. So my Fair and Lovely BB cream finally came. I'm so excited. It says foundation plus glow cream. There's really no color but one color. We just gonna pray it ain't Casper the Ghost. Oh no. And then I already applied the Fair and Lovely cream. So this, how many shades lighter do y'all think this is? Is this the color we going for? Oh my God. I can't. This is a mess. I can't. Don't even start laughing because this is serious. This is not foundation BB cream. I've never seen BB cream look this bad. What in the ghetto is going on in India? I didn't think it was this bad. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. What is this? Could you imagine being my skin tone in India and walking around with this foundation on thinking you cute? Well, you know what? I finally got my Fair and Lovely glow I was looking for. We're gonna do a reaction today to see what Sonobi thinks of it. I started layering the foundation. That's why it looks much better. Do you like Mommy's foundation? Do you like Mommy's new skin color? What color Mommy look? Do Mommy look white now? Do I look Fair and Lovely now? Yes, do Mommy look pretty? No, me. Do you think Mommy looks cute? Can you look at Mommy and call me beautiful? Beautiful. She won't even look at me. So don't be look at Mommy. Don't I look cute? Yeah. She won't even look at me. I am done with the Fair and Lovely. I cannot. There's a poem that I wrote. It goes, brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls, the best thing in the world, never trade you for anybody else. No, I'm just playing. Beyonce wrote that. Beyonce wrote that. I am just joking, y'all. Oh my God, I'm just playing. Beyonce wrote it. Blue Ivy Carter is an artist on it. Jay-Z, don't come over here trying to demonetize my videos. You know Beyonce does not play about her art. I was just joking. On a serious note, you guys, I think sometimes here in the US we forget we have companies like Dark and Lovely, and then you go to somewhere like India where they have Fair and Lovely. It's just like a total contrast of two different worlds. If you're a girl of very deep dark skin tones and you live in a country where it's not accepted to be very melanated, just know this is a big world we live in, and someday you will leave where you are, or you can stay and try to make it a better place. But just know you are beautiful. Your skin tone does not dictate how pretty and how lovely, how special, how great, and how beautiful you are. A lot of times in the Fair and Lovely ad campaigns, it's always a woman being fair for a man. And I've always been the type to always depend on yourself, don't depend on the men. That's just who I am. But I will say this, if you can find a tall, dark, handsome man to love you, like the Fair and Lovely commercials say, just know there's a tall, vanilla, handsome man out there to love you. Always go where you're celebrated and loved. Don't try to make someone who wants a Fair and Lovely person to love you. You go to the vanilla man who will love your deep skin tones. That's all I have to say on that, because sometimes, you know, the commercials always say let the tall, dark, handsome man rescue you. If he don't want you, go with the vanilla man, okay? Now let's drag Fair and Lovely in Unilever. Now if you decide that lightening your skin is something that you truly want to do, because even after watching this video you're bombarded with being Casper the Ghost, I totally understand it, because sometimes in different countries they will bombard you with being fair is the norm and the standard. Fair and Lovely ain't gonna cut it. The moisturizer is horrible. It will break out your skin. It's practically like you're wearing sunscreen. It's so ridiculous. The face wash sticks to your skin. The ingredient list is atrocious. They have all sorts of ingredients that reduce hyperpigmentation in the formulations of Fair and Lovely skincare products. If you know anything about reducing hyperpigmentation, these products are not meant to be used every day. They can literally harm your skin. And can you imagine being in any country, especially in South Asia, where the sun is always beating down on you? You're sitting there wearing Fair and Lovely. You're gonna eventually get darker and darker. If you're trying to be fairer, you're not going to meet the goal. This will break you out. It will irritate your skin. At least if they were going to give someone a moisturizer to lighten their skin, they could have made it way better than what they did. I think it is a horrific product and they need to go back and reformulate it. With that being said, you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Y'all know my whole thing is Fair and Lovely now. You know I eat it up. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.